So I'm doing comment of the week now, so please stay tuned towards the end of the video. Thank you. What up, it's your boy Chris. I'm back at it. Got the 240 right now. Today I'll be switching out the tie rods and the rubber boots that go on the steering rack. So let's get to it. I gotta flip her around right now, jack her up and get to it. I need that block because it's too low. She ain't going nowhere. As you can see, the tie rod end is completely torn, and also the boot is also very torn, as you can see. So we're gonna be swapping them out. I got all my new tie rod ends, got the new boots, and I actually got the new tie rods. Since the other ones were shot, these are nice. I went OEM since this is a street car. I don't need nothing, no angle or nothing like that at all for now. This was really cheap, less than 60 bucks, all of it. OEM, supposedly, but we'll see how long they last. Let's go. There we go, get the cotter pin out. Damn, I feel like they've never changed this thing. I'm sure they haven't. Look at this, torn. I loosened up this part. I just gotta loosen this part up and then take up this boot. It's on there, so I'm gonna see right now how to take it off. Look at this shot. Dang, look at this. Since 1991, this thing has been on here. Look how shot this thing was. It's been there since 1991. Look at that. I was hearing a clunk, maybe it was this. Gotta untwist this thing. Just keep on twisting, keep on twisting. I took off this old one. It was completely shot. Took out this rubber boot. So now I just gotta twist this thing off. I already undid the four little clips that you gotta chisel out. There's 4 of them, so chisel them out and then she should be coming out. So the new tie rods are a little bit beefier than the OEM ones, which is really nice to have extra beefy ones. Nope. I'm an idiot. I gotta put the boot first. I got the boot on. carbon rubber. That should be good. I was finally able to put this thing on there. I had to make 2 little slits because it would not go on there, but this should be cover it, so it should be fine. I had to cut it with my Dremel. Legit, I was fighting it for a good while. It did not want to go in, so I cut a slit here and a slit on the other side, and she's fine. I just gotta tie her down. Look at that. Ugly cotter pin, but it's in there. I moved it left to right. She's on there. First time doing this. Took me a little bit to figure it out, but I got it. I think I should just knock out the other one real quick. Boom. This is why you don't buy Harbor Freight. The Rusty Hammer does a better job. Now I'm hitting out the clips that hold on the tie rod. Make sure I'm not lying on no bugs.
I remember one of the years they made the new GoPros, but they were like all just like.
I think I have a leaking rear main seal. I'm about to take off the whole fucking transmission to fix that one. Yeah, that one's gonna be a doozy. On my next video, I'm gonna get a compression tester, and then I'm gonna test the compression, see if it's worth going taking off the transmission and doing that work. If all the compression is good, which it should be. Oh, we'll pass it the WD-40. It's like right there by the door. Oh, fat ass spider. Be gone, bitch. Ah. Ah. Oh. There's some things they don't teach you in ITT school. Holy shit, thing was on there. Gee willikers. I was able to loosen this thing up. This thing was freaking on there. So after like a few tries, I got it loose. So I'm just gonna take this off real quick, pop in the new ones, take out this old nasty boot. I took out this old one. As you can see, it was very shot, just like the other one. But yeah, this thing's been there since 1991. Nasty boot. We're gonna try to get the same length as this one. All right, we have them pretty much approximately the same. Look at that. Ugh, I gotta take off the rest of the boot. Got this side all done. I just need to add the little cotter pin. She looks good. Test out the turning radius. Stock angle. Curve angle. She's all done for now. This one's straight. You can tell this one's a little bit off. A little bit to the right, but it's all good. Finally done for now. You're gonna need to land it so bad. I'm gonna be trying something new this week. I'm gonna be doing a comment of the week. So if you leave a comment, make sure to come back the next video because it'll probably be in there. So I'm choosing one. This week's comment is, oh damn, got an SI2 from Brandon Dexter. Shout out to you, Dexter. Thank you for leaving a comment. And yes, I do. I got a 2018 Civic SI Turbo 1.5. She's a little dirty right now. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on her. She's I'll put a little clip of her little spooling noises right now. But so I'm gonna be doing this. I just want to get back to all you guys that are watching and commenting. So So thank you for watching. So I just want to say thank you for everybody that's commenting. So leave a comment down and come back next week, see if it's featured in the next video. Thank you so much.
I heard after 12 minutes of pain, everything else is self-served. If that's so, then I'm dying slow. Let's speed up the process and end it today. Not physically, but mentally. I kinda miss the old me, but the new guy's gotta go. Ties weren't really my thing, so I dress when there's no one to impress. I'ma show you me, not just fake cover up. At this point, I don't really care. I've lost a lot, they won't hurt with one more. So what you think I'm on? It's a drug called depression. I wanna OD, but I take it all in. Go back to the old without the sin. Maybe then I won't care.